Hello everyone, welcome to Leg Gears Vlog here on YouTube. And now we're here exactly at a shop, a nail salon here at BGC. It's just beside the Uptown Mall, the famous Uptown Mall, where you can find the beautiful, colorful, dancing, fiery fountain. And here we are, of course, with my mom. And we're going to enjoy the 850 pesos package. So that includes, I think, the foot washing and also the foot massage itself. And if you would like, they can also try to clean or do some pedicure and also to put some protection or gel protection to your finger toes. So I remove the entire audio from this video to avoid the copyright from the social media platforms. So yeah, just enjoy watching it even without the music. But I hope that you will also enjoy it. And in this video, you're going to find how do they perform it. They are like really professional and also friendly at the same time. So that's it. Enjoy. And of course, don't forget to click the like button and then subscribe or follow me. Legears Vlog. Legears Vlog. Thank you so much. Once again, bye bye.